Hey folks, if you're curious about Boardmix, you're in for a treat today. And hey, don't forget to smash that link in the description to grab your special discount on Boardmix. So what is Boardmix? Well, imagine a whiteboard, a project management tool, and a brainstorming app all had a love child. Yep, it's as cool as it sounds. Boardmix lets you create, collaborate, and organize your projects all in one place. First off, the interface. It's clean, intuitive, and honestly just fun to use. You can drag and drop elements, add sticky notes, and draw with different colors. If you're anything like me, you'll have a blast, making your projects look like a work of art. It's like Pinterest, but on steroids. Now, on to collaboration. Boardmix makes working with your team super easy. You can invite people to your board, assign tasks, and even chat in real time. No more endless email chains or confusion about who's doing what. Trust me, your inbox will thank you. All right, let's talk about pricing. Boardmix offers a free version, which is great for personal use or small teams. If you need more features like unlimited boards and advanced integrations, you can upgrade to their Pro plan for $9.99 a month. And yeah, for what you get, it's a steal. Plus, remember that special offer link in the description? Click it and save some cash. But hey, what's a review without a little criticism, right? While Boardmix is fantastic, it's not perfect. Sometimes it can be a bit slow to load if you've packed your board with too many elements. And yeah, the mobile app isn't as smooth as the desktop version, but honestly, these are minor issues in the grand scheme of things. So, is Boardmix the ultimate tool or just hype? I'd say it's pretty darn close to ultimate. It's versatile, user-friendly, and a real game changer for anyone looking to boost their productivity. All right, that's my take on Boardmix. If you're interested, click the link below to get your special discount. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more awesome content. Catch you later.